Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are going to see my quarantine morning routine. So the first thing is prayer and reading, and I wanted to get back into this habit because I definitely fell off. And I need a blanket. I have my study book that I'm studying for. I'll tell you about in a minute. That Bible study book and the book I'm just reading just for fun, just to learn a little bit, and headphones so I don't wake up anybody. So the Bible study, all the information's right there. It's just taking me through the whole Bible. I listen to, and you guys will see in a minute, you read some of the Bible every day, and then it just asks some questions. And if you do it faithfully every week and follow their plan, you'll go through it in 1 year. And I really like it so far. It's affordable. The book has amazing visuals and quotes, and it's just really nice. I like it. So along with using this, I use the YouVersion app. I'm sure a lot of you are really familiar with. And I'm in Genesis, yes, still in the beginning. And I just listen to a few chapters, and then I answer questions according to the chapters that I've listened to that day. And so that's what I do with the Bible study book every day. And along with this, I'll take some quiet time just to pray, meditate on the word, think about what I'm going to do today, what I'm thankful for mostly, and just a prayer for that day. And then I go right on to my study guide. I am studying to become reading endorsed. I'm in the state of Florida, and now it's a requirement. So each week I'm taking one section of the book. That's what I'm showing you guys, and I'm really focusing on that section so I can pass that test, because I want to pass it the first time and add that endorsement to my list of credentials. So a lot of it's knowledge that I've picked up from being a teacher, but a lot of new stuff. So I'm liking it. And now this book that I'm reading for fun, When the Miracle Drops. I follow her on Instagram. I love her and all the business advice she gives out. She has the brand Kaleidoscope. So this is the book that she recently released. I'm reading it and I'm liking it so far. Now the kids are up. So I read as long as I could, and then as soon as I heard her, when the boss calls, so she's just waking up. Yeah, she ends up in our bed somehow every night. We are working on it, definitely during quarantine, trying to keep her in her bed. But she is saying good morning. I mean, how could you not want to wake up with her? And then she goes on to wake up Sissy. So after that, next thing I do is make my bed. So this is pretty self-explanatory, I think, if you're an adult, how to make your bed. So I just make my bed. And then next we will be going on to breakfast. And ta-da, you have a beautifully made bed. So next, I am in the kitchen. I'm thinking about what I'm cooking for dinner. So I have my meals planned out. I can do a meal planning video for you guys if you want, but I take out the meat that I need to defrost. And then I have a visitor, of course, that comes, follows me around. And this morning, I was making oatmeal, and I made this walnut pecan caramel to be the sugar and the drizzle on top. You guys will see that more later on. And I am finishing loading the dishes from last night. I know they should have been washing from yesterday, but listen, this is real life. Even though I am home, I don't always get to everything all the time, and that's okay. I am not stressing myself out about it. So now here's the oatmeal and that caramel pecan walnut brown sugar on the oatmeal was amazing. It was like a homemade cinnamon roll flavored oatmeal. It was so delicious. And now we're fed, we're up, and we're getting right to our online school. So my older daughter, she is logging on to her Google Classroom because that's the platform that our district is using. And then I'm gonna get ready to log in and check on all my classes, help out students, answer any questions. And that is our morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out any of these videos and subscribe.